Okay, today I'll be reassembling the Warner manual locking hub using a replacement kit that consists of 2 gaskets, washers, 6 bolts. You have the hub body with the hub that has the axle shaft hub inside, and on the outside you have the clutch body with the clutch ring on the inside. And as you can see from this is the manual locking hub, not the automatic locking hub. Before I start assembly, what I'm going to have to do is to lubricate the inside of the hub prior to assembly. My first step is to, if it's in the free position, is to spin the lock around to the locked position. This way you'll be able to apply a light coating of grease to the inside face of the clutch body and then some on the inside of the disc. Once that's done, you'll then move it from the lock position to free, and as you can see is exposed the pins on the inside. You'll end up applying a thin coating of grease around the clutch screw, which I've already again, and then to the top of this and to the drive pins that keep the the clutch in position when you have it in either free or lock. Once I've completed that, then I'll go ahead and start the reassembly of the hub. Okay, once the components are lubricated, the next step will be, before you combine the hub body and the clutch body, will be to put the snap ring back on, which goes on the axle. Generally, they're pretty easy. You just put it in place, listen for the snap. Sometimes it doesn't hurt just to make sure. And that's done. Now the next thing, the reason I had these 2 bolts in there ahead of time, I just wanted to line up the gasket with the body, the hub body. So what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to take these out. And attach the clutch body to the hub body, and then using the bolts and the locking washers will mate the 2 of them together. One thing to remember is make sure that the locking hub itself is on the free mode and not in the lock position. Okay, now as you can see, I have 2 of the 6 bolts in. All that I have left to do is I have to put the remainder of the 4 bolts in. Always make sure the locking washer is on the outside, because what you're going to do is once these bolts are tightened all the way down, you will be bending the tabs up, which help lock the nuts in place, the bolts in place, I'm sorry. And that's it. It's all back assembled, and that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching. If you want to ask me anything or have any comments, please be sure to leave them, and I will respond back to anything you might wish to know or not to know as quickly as I can. Thank you.